Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Does your wrist get sore sometimes because you're scrolling and clicking your way through the workday with your mouse? Well, ditch the mouse and unlock your powers of speed with today's keyboard shortcuts. In today's episode, you're getting the keyboard shortcuts for undo and redo, whether you're a Windows or Mac user, and a quick summary of a research study that shows why you should start using these keyboard shortcuts. The first shortcut today, undo. You can use this to reverse your last action or reverse the action before that and before that, all the way back until when you hit save in that program. The shortcut is Control plus Z. If you are a Mac user, this will be Command plus Z. So Command plus Z. To redo it, which will reverse your last undo, Control or Command plus Y. Control if you're a Windows user, Command if you are a Mac user. And just like undo, you can redo as many times forward until your last action. To give you a little boost of motivation to put these shortcuts to use, here's some science that explains the power of them. A study published in the Journal of Computer Assisted Learning titled Time Savings and Error Reduction Using Keyboard Shortcuts for Library Database Tasks found that students using keyboard shortcuts for research tasks completed them 35% faster than those relying on the mouse. That's right, 35% faster. It's time to reclaim those precious minutes that add up to hours and even days over the long term from that productivity black hole of using your mouse. So remember, Control or Command plus Z. If you are a Windows user, it'll be Control. If you are a Mac user, it will be Command. So Control or Command plus Z to undo and Control or Command plus Y to redo. Start using these today and watch your computer work productivity soar. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.